What's going on, guys? It's Martin and welcome to my backyard kitchen. Today we're doing another unboxing video, so super excited for this. So let me show you what it is. Whoa, yes, Gozney Arc pizza oven. I've been wanting one of these ever since I first saw the rock box come out, and finally I got myself one. So let's unbox it, fire it up and see what it's like. We're not gonna cook in it today, but I just wanna get it set up. Let's crack on. Turn it your way so you can see. All the gadgets and the hose. I hope that's gonna be long enough. So we want to remove these little plastic bits. It's just keeping the stone in place. And that's really all there is to it. So it took less than 10 minutes to get it to this point. Let's hook up the gas hose and fire it up, see what it looks like. I suspect I need a longer hose, but might work. There we have it, Gozney Arc. This one is the 14 inch. Well, you can do the 14-inch pizzas in these. There's also the Arc Little that you can do 12, and Arc XL that you can do a 16-inch pizza. So this is the middle one. So we just fired it up now for the first time. We set on the low and let it run for about 30 minutes. Just to cure the stone, and then if we wanted to, we could turn up the temperature and start baking, but we're not going to do that today. Just wanted to get it set up and see what it looks like. So it's beautiful. It's very easy to set up. Literally never done it before. It took me less than 10 minutes to do so. Yeah, can't wait to bake some pizzas and some other great stuff. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed this type of video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.